Hey guys, yung ating growing plants. Guys, maliliit pa sila guys, pero at least meron tayong hihintayin balang araw. Meron kasing bagong tanim dyan guys, kaya tinakpan ko muna. Radish. These are pechay, and we have kali. We have pechay seedlings and tomatoes. Also have pechay seedlings here. Tan 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 tan. New growing pechay and radish. Let's plant guys. Bass beans, okra, libangan lang guys for our food. Thank you for watching. We have peppers here guys. And other vegetables. Let's make gardening enjoyment. Thank you for watching. Ito guys, yung mga bagong tanim, lagay muna natin sa isang shaded area para hindi sila wither, malanta pag sobrang init ang panahon. Guys, thank you for watching. Let's get some onions guys and mix with our bagoong. Ito guys, kunin natin lahat. Guys, let's have some onions. Thank you for watching.